I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Xbox One is up to date and that you have a wired USB keyboard and mouse or a compatible adapter. This prevents driver issues. Once done, plug both devices into the console's USB ports and power the Xbox. Then open Settings and go to Devices and Connections to locate the mouse options. Make sure input detection is active so games can see the peripherals. These first steps ensure the hardware is recognized before game-specific configuration. Once the console recognizes the devices, customize pointer speed and scrolling to match your preference so aiming and navigation feel natural. Then test the keyboard in the home UI and launch a supported game to verify key mapping and sensitivity. Some titles map mouse look while others only accept keyboard text. If a game doesn't support native input, consider a reputable adapter and update its firmware. Adapters translate mouse movement and button presses into controller signals to make unsupported. To finish, fine-tune sensitivity and key bindings inside each supported game so aiming and commands match your playstyle. If devices aren't detected, reboot the Xbox and try alternate USB ports. Power cycle both mouse and keyboard. Make sure background updates are off to prevent input lag and prefer wired connections to cut latency. If problems persist, reinstall controllers, update adapter firmware, or test devices on a PC to isolate hardware faults. This single troubleshooting tip usually reveals the root.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.